Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have what matters, the Vodafone SIM and your phone. Start by unlocking the device and opening settings, then go to About Phone or SIM status to read the listed number. If that field is empty, make a quick outgoing call to a friend's device and observe the caller ID to confirm your number. Once done, write it down or take a screenshot so you won't lose it while proceeding to app and account checks. Next, open the Vodafone app or log in on the carrier's website. Your registered mobile number is usually shown on the account or profile page. Make sure you authenticate with the same SIM number or linked email to avoid mismatch. If the app doesn't show it, use the in-app chat or secure messaging to request a confirmation. Support agents can verify identity and read the MSISTN tied to your SIM. This step resolves most cases where the phone itself didn't display the number. To finish, save the confirmed Vodafone number as a contact and update any accounts that use it for verification. If the number never appeared, power down, remove and reset the SIM, then reboot. This often forces the network to reprovision the MSISTN. Make sure the SIM carrier settings are up to date. If problems persist, visit a Vodafone store or contact official support with your ID. They can reassign or read the number. Troubleshooting tip: keep your account info ready to speed verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.